In this video, I present my best RC plane, built from a simple toy glider. What I love is that I can almost fly it anywhere, plug in a battery and just throw it. No extensive timely setup procedure, no special flight field, just fly when I want to. But it was a long way to get there. Fine-tuning the center of gravity and the right neutral settings with the rudders required many test flights, some of them extremely unsuccessful. But this toy plane is unbreakable and survived every crash. How did I build it? From the original toy glider, I was just cutting off the tail, attaching some wing extensions to change the wing profile. I burned on some parts to make space for the RC parts and added servos and a motor.